Down there. Ooh, amazing stuff. Just a lot of boxes. Come on, give it to me. I need it. Come on, turn around, camera. Yeah, we get so much money. Or balls. Come on, give it to me, give it to me. Not that one. That explosive one. So, and let's go on with playing the game. And what's now? Oh yeah, I'm gonna ride the train, right? No, get on that one. And now? Oh, an info bot. Come on, let's ride the train. So, come on, turn around. Come on, shoot that guy. Are you kidding me? Yeah, got enough, buddy? Yeah, you don't hit me, I'm Ratchet. I dodge everything. Come on. Whoa! Yeah, the train's moving. Yeah, fall down, buddy. And now we're gonna get the infobot. Pretty easy. Come on, cutscene. Yeah, and what? Did you run away, infobot? Like, what's that? I think that's not good. I think that's mines, right? Infobot, infobot? Yeah!
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drek.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
Yeah!
Counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Yeah, kicking it away in the
Drek is
background.
destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Yeah, so... something other here, no, that one. Missions? All missions completed, really? Wait, we're going... oh no, don't run over it. I think we could go there, right? Yeah, don't forget anything here. Yeah, come on, give me some balls. Yeah. Come on. And for those guys who are watching my trauma center videos, yeah, I did it with the bomb. It just take another 20 minutes and another lots of tries, but I did it. Stupid bomb. So, come on, turn around, camera, and we want to go to... do you got something new? I don't think so. Nope. And go away. And now we want to go to... oh shit, where is it? Was it here? Yeah. Come on. Yep. Yeah. Clank can jump so high in that ship. In that in that ship, and yeah, let's gonna save that hoverboard guy. And yeah, but when you're all alone with Clank, he can't jump pretty high. Yeah, nice cutscene. Alright, yeah, come on. Looks like Mars. So, let's take a look on the map. And where are you gonna go? There was a question mark. Come on, let's look. Nothing new. What boring. So, where did I wanna go? There. Hey, there he is.
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you,
Yeah.
screaming for help.
Epic.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Destroy all sand sharks. Yeah. Oh, that one's. Can we shoot him this way? I don't know. And I don't know, of course I'm fucked up with the controls. Come on. Yeah. Come on, don't jump. Shoot! So easy. Come on. Let's take out one by one. What's there? Oh, a gold ball. Take that shit. And turn around, camera. No. Let's shoot him first. And let's take it to pyro something. Come on. Yeah, burn. Sand sharks. Burn. And how much are left? 38. Come on, we gotta do it. No, that one. Someone here. Oh, one chance. Ah! Don't eat me. Don't eat me. I'm not tasty. Yeah, die. Come on. What's up there? Some more? Of course there's gonna be some more. Yeah, die. Hey! Nanotech. So, 26 are left. And where are they? Down there. Come on. No, don't fall into that mud. Hold on. Yeah. Then... Come on, turn around camera. What the fuck? Where did he come from? Asshole. So, some more. Where are you?